Hello, welcome back. Now today we're going to make some lime margaritas because we're going to make some fish tacos, and these are going to go great with them, and I'll show you how. So we're going to use your favorite tequila. We're going to use triple sec, and we're going to use lime juice. Lime juice is about 3/4 ounces, and we got some tahine. It's just Mexican seasoning. They usually put these in like fruits and stuff like that, and it has salt already on one side of the rim, and the other side is going to be salt, and then we're going to garnish it with a little lime. So let's get to it. So in 3/4 of lime, tequila, it's going to be about an ounce and a half, triple sec. Now we're going to put our ice in there. That'll be good. So I'm just going to put the lime on the outside, go all the way around, and then just go around the cup like so on one side. The other side is going to be all salt, and that's how it's going to look. And we're all done. Now to taste. Oh yeah. I think I might like this side more. Whew. Awesome. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful drink, and like and subscribe, and have a great day.